Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Menopause can really take a toll on women's skin. But is that anything to worry about? No. Is there anything you can do to retain that youthful look even as you're going through menopause? Absolutely yes. Let's talk about skin before we talk about menopause. Skin is made of fat and proteins. It is made specifically of cholesterol and saturated fats. If you eat a low-fat diet, your skin starts getting old really fast. Saturated fats have been blamed for so long for diseases that we automatically think that they're terrible when we so desperately need them. I'm going to take a segue and discuss what cholesterol and saturated fats do for you. 50% of our cell membranes are made up of cholesterol. Our body makes cholesterol, but not enough. We still need it from our diet. It also helps our body make bile. Bile is the liquid produced by the liver to help us digest the fats we eat. This is especially important in order to extract fat-soluble vitamins from our food. Cholesterol is also the raw material that is needed to make hormones. If your body is missing cholesterol, it will not be able to produce the hormones that are needed for the body to function properly. Why is any of this important? Because these hormones and fat-soluble vitamins are needed to keep your skin looking young. Vitamin A is the most important fat-soluble vitamin for your skin. If you have enough vitamin A, your skin would be soft, firm, and supple. Vitamin A deficiency causes dry, scaly, and weak skin. It also causes acne. I'm sure you have heard of collagen. It is the most abundant protein in your body and is a major component of your skin. I don't know if you knew that vitamin A triggers the production of collagen. So where do you get vitamin A from? Leafy greens like kale, spinach, arugula, and mustard greens. But you can't rely on these beta-carotenes as the only source of vitamin A because it is not in the active form of retinol. Your body needs to convert it to the active form. So you still need vitamin A from active sources such as egg yolks, cod liver oil, butter, cheeses, and liver. Another thing that you really need to provide your skin is vitamin E. Vitamin E protects skin against aging, scarring, sunburns, wrinkles. It supports your pituitary gland, which is the key point here. As you go through menopause, your ovaries check out. You don't need as many sex hormones, so the pituitary gland slows down and vitamin E levels in your body drop. That is why it is so important to supplement vitamin E in your diet. Palm oil, leafy greens, wheat germ, olive oil, seeds, and nuts are all rich in vitamin E. And let's talk about what you need to do to avoid aging your skin. When you combine protein with sugars or protein with fat, like ribs with sauce, fried meats, you create these sticky proteins which clog your arteries and affect your organs. They especially make your skin look old very fast. So you need to avoid mixing these two. You need to learn how to eat proteins properly. And other things that you need to avoid are smoking, stress, because stress creates cortisol, which ages your skin. You want to avoid sugar as much as possible. Limit the intake of sugar in your diet. If you absolutely must use sweeteners, natural sweeteners like coconut sugar or honey, or if you absolutely need to eat sugar, use brown cane sugar, which is closest to its natural form. Intermittent fasting is also very helpful to help your skin keep its youthful look for extended time. And detox, you want to regularly detox your body. If these are your habits in your 20s and 30s, there's a good chance you will retain youthful skin after menopause. I've done another video on how to reverse graying hair. Make sure you check that out as well. And also the video on skin. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.